1. Furs Off Pet Hair Remover. This reusable and eco-friendly hair remover is made from 90% post-consumer recycled materials. It effectively removes pet hair from furniture, carpets, and clothing. 2. Chom Chom Roller. This roller uses a patented design to remove pet hair from various surfaces. It doesn't require any adhesive or sticky tape, making it easy to clean and reuse. 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. This handheld vacuum cleaner is specifically designed to remove pet hair from furniture, upholstery, and stairs. It has a motorized brush tool that effectively lifts and removes embedded pet hair. 4. Evercare Pet Mega Cleaning Roller. This large adhesive roller is perfect for removing pet hair from clothing, bedding, and furniture. It has 10-inch wide sheets that can be easily peeled off and discarded after use. 5. Gonzo Pet Hair Lifter. This sponge-like hair lifter is made from all natural materials and can be used on various surfaces, including clothing, upholstery, and carpets. It effectively lifts and removes pet hair without leaving any residue. 6. Scotch Brite Lint Roller. This classic lint roller is a reliable and affordable option for removing pet hair from clothing and furniture. It has sticky sheets that can be easily peeled off and discarded. 7. Furminator Fur Removal Brush. This grooming tool is designed to remove loose hair from your dog's coat, reducing shedding and preventing hair from spreading around the house. It has a stainless steel edge that reaches deep into the coat to remove loose hair without cutting or damaging the skin. 8. Pledge Fabric Sweeper for Pet Hair. This fabric sweeper is specifically designed to remove pet hair from upholstery, bedding, and carpets. It has a flexible head that conforms to different surfaces and effectively lifts and traps pet hair. 9. OXO Good Grips Fur Lifter Pet Hair Remover. This handheld brush has microbristles that effectively remove pet hair from clothing, furniture, and other surfaces. It also has a built-in hair cleaner that removes collected hair from the brush. 10. Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer. This compact brush is perfect for removing pet hair from small surfaces, such as car seats, clothing, and upholstery. It has specially designed nylon bristles that grab and remove pet hair with ease.